Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1. Today we're taking you on a 4K ultra low light ride on Frozen Ever After here at Epcot. We hope you enjoy the video. We're lucky to have a beautiful evening to enjoy this ride. And if you're not subscribed to Resort TV 1, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell to enable notifications so you get notified every time we go live or have a new video. Also, be sure to check us out on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And the queue to this Frozen ride is just really amazing. It's very, very detailed. So take the time to look around while you're in line, even if you've got a fast pass. I love how they literally built a village here for this queue. It's just so amazing. Very detailed. Very detailed. And here's Wandering Oaken's trading post. That's pretty amazing.
Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for Sven and me and you. We're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Tell us the story again, please.
On a day very much like today, honor saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and full of those.
Oh, and now they're best friends. be there too.
When I finally do what frozen things do.
In summer.
Welcome back! Through the main season till your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock, and your ass to get out to the right, yeah? Bye-bye now! Bye-bye!
And then the way out is like this endless hallway. But I hope you enjoyed the ride. I hope you enjoyed the low light from my low light camera, which by the way is a Sony a6500. Go out into the gift shop. These are really nice paintings right as you come out. But by far the most important thing is that they still have Mr. Troll here, who has been here since the Maelstrom days, when that used to be the boat ride here instead of Frozen. So, and he'd be glad to pose for a picture with you. I'm not sure if he has a name. I've heard some people name him, but I don't know if he has an official name. So post a name in the comments if you think he should have a name or if he does have one. Well, that's all for now for our 4K ultra low light ride on Frozen Ever After. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you haven't already done so because it really helps the video. Also, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, be sure to check out WindowRepairParts.us and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase on window repair parts. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.